Yo, you want to eat today, huh? Yeah, buddy, do you eat? Anybody, come with me. Come here. Are you ready to eat it now? Yes or no? Tell me. I know you're ready to eat it now. Hey! Are you ready to eat? Are you ready? Hey, are you ready to eat? You get ready? Look at your food. Man, dog food. So yummy, right? So yummy. Mmm. Right? So yummy. You want to eat some? Sit down. Sit. Stay. Sit down. Ready to be so much fun for all the puppy, right? Hey. Come here, you. Come here. Sit down. Sit. Hey. Come over here. Come. Man, look, be ready. Come on. You have to sit down. Sit down. Sit. Stay. 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 Go on. Now you. Now you two. Come on. Are you ready to eat now? Huh? Are you ready to eat? Sit down. Sit. Are you there? Are you? Hey. Look at you fool. Hey, you ready to eat now? Sit down. Sit. Follow me. Sit down. Sit. And stay. Stay. Sit down. Stay. 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 Go on. Oh, so yummy, right? Need to check the other one now, right? Hey, funny daddy. How you think you running? How you think you doing today? Gotta be super funny, right? So yummy. Bye-bye. So to die. Welcome to a new video today. Well, Let me see. For a new video today is my dog. Yep. Yep. To be my dog, buddy. Oh, yeah, it's gonna be so much fun, right? It's gonna be so much fun. Woohoo! In my other movie coming soon to you now. My other movie. The new movie coming soon, anybody. What should I do now? I don't even know what to say I do. I don't know what to say I do anyway, huh? I didn't even know. Man, should I eat some of that right now? No, I don't want none right now. I don't want none. I don't want another stuff in the body. I just don't. Yeah. I don't want none stuff in here, you know. I just don't want to. What should I do? Tell me that. What should I do anyway? I love my dog so much, anybody. I just do. Let's go see them now. My dog, my puppy. Being so funny. Hey, are you done now? Are you done eating now? Right? Yep, I know you're done eating. Man, the female. Should be so funny, right? Hey, boy, how you doing? Hey. Man, women do like better tap the door in the body. I like dog more better than tap. Door is way more fun than tap, you know. Hey, right, man? Hey, boy. What are you doing? Start eating your food, right? Hey. I know you're gonna be done yet, you know. You're still gonna eat your food all the time, right? Oh yeah! I know you am. Funny boy! Are you done eating now? Are you done eating? I need to let somebody come out now. I need to let the bad lady come on. Here. Come on, Dawn. Man, I love how they die in the body. Hey, man. Hey. I love. Hey, man. How your day doing today? How your day doing? How your day doing today? Anybody, by the way, that's my boy dog right here. Another female. Look, man. Just to be so funny. Right? Boom, boom, boom. Just to be so fun. Look right here, everybody. JD always come back with new video every time. Watch that, make some more. What's she doing now? I don't even know what she's doing. Hey, what's up, BT? How you doing? Let's say hi. Can you say hi? Hi, you. Hi. How your day doing? How your day doing today? Are your day doing fine today, my dog? I love all you guys so much, you know. I love all of my feed puppies and everybody I do. And she's so funny right here. Every time, nighttime, she be so funny, right? Give me the say. Great job. You be so funny every time, right? You be so funny. And so you too. Hey, I love you too. I love you too. You hear me? Stop fighting your mom. I love you too. Stop it. I repeat you to tell me, you know. Stop being bad. I love you too. Come on. Don't be shy. See your daughter. You should listen to her. Sit down and stop being bad. Sit down. Sit. Oh, do she do to you? No. So fair. Here. Here. Over here. Stop being in a bad mood all the time, my bad baby dog. Stop being in a bad mood all the time. Stop. You want it? You want it? Sit down. Sit down. Sit down right now. Come here. Give me a little pat. Give me a say. Say. Give me a say. Say. Sit your hand. Sit your hand to me. Good job. You want it, huh? Stop fighting your mom. She loves you so much. And stop fighting her. Don't fight. Look over here. I'm gonna sit to see her now. Hey, you don't need to listen to her. You just don't need to. You hear me? Oh, look who come back. Hey. I pat the boat we die at the same time. You're so funny, right? So you die. You die one new video tomorrow every day? Sure, hit the like button for the movie. Yeah, she is so funny now, right? She is just so funny. She don't have to attack you every time. So, how to do night time. So, deny. Big mama, deny. Be so funny all the time. You hear me? Be so funny all the time. Oh, what's she doing now? Oh, you not to be telling me, man. She knows she's not allowed to be up there. Get Dawn on the toe right now. You're not allowed to be up there. You know that. Get Dawn. And stay Dawn. Boy, I only have one boy dog in the family. I need to see what he's doing. I think he need water right now, right? I think he need water. Oh, man. I have to do it every day, everybody. I think he need water right now. Let's just get some more water for him right now. You want to give him a snuggle? You want to need some more water? You ready? Follow me. Hey, look right here, everybody. Look like a dog top in there. There's a bone in the bone right here. Look, everybody. And then it's the bull. The bone. Well, what's she doing now? I don't know what she's doing. Gee, the lady. Hey, boo. Are you alright? Are you? Are you alright right now? Are you? Hey, boy, come here. Are you alright right now? Yes or no? I want to know. Man, what's she doing now? I'm gonna say hi to Big Mama then. Hey, dude, enjoy your thing. Be so fun. And so are you too. Hi. How you doing today? How you doing? I know you do a fine today. Hi, you two. Hi. I gotta send him running a dog tour. Hey, Daddy. Go fair. She having fun in the toy? Hey, man. Hey, man. Oh, man. That'd be so much fun for paying me all the dog. Hey, pat the toy to me. Oh, no. I don't know why you pat the toy to me for. Hey. Hi, you. Hi. Let me see, everybody. You gotta be so funny, right? I don't let nobody take you, you know. I love all your dad is saying. And she don't attack your mom no more. I love you so much. Just do. Wow. That JD boy had too many dogs, huh? I know he love all of them too. That'll be so much fun for me to take all of them. Let's go see them now. You ready? Oh man, we just have to see them now. You ready, anybody? I'm doing it. Wow. Look at all the dogs over here. I know, see the funny one over here. Oh. Hey, you. How you doing today? And so are you too. Hi. Hey, my boy Nalo. What do you need? You want to do the tender? Hey, you want to do the tender right now? Do you? I am not your owner. Want me to let you in? Here, throw your bag. If you want to. Man. And so, good night, boy. Good night. And so are you too, right? It's gotta be so funny. Woohoo! I know each other. How many times? Hi, you funny dude. Hi. You're both female, right? And you're the boy. Hi. Give me this pat. Say. Who wants to come home with me right now? I'll be right back. You want a toy? Oh, the lightning's come out, right? The fat. And you'll be real safe, I tell you. It'll be right back. You hear me? Have fun in your bed, doing the bed. Good night, Nalo. So funny, right? You know anything about man. Oh man, that'd be so fun, right? It should be so fun. Wait a minute. Wow. You try to take the fine puppy away, huh? You let that happen, boy. Leave my puppy. Leave me alone. You go back home. Get your own puppy. Oh, you wanna do some more time? Leave me. Get over here. Why should I leave for? So tell me why. I want your puppy. People, don't you have puppy right now? Hey! Woo! Let's go find the dog now. Let's go take one to home. I need a puppy, anybody? Oh, do you like that? Do you like tattoo, huh? Alright, check the phone in now. Woo! Wait a minute. I see two puppies over here. You, a female and a boy. Oh, hey you. Want to go outside? Sure. Have fun outside. Bye-bye now. Only have one more puppy with here, everybody. I want to get the toy for her to play with. Right now. Aw, look at you, adorable puppy. You look so adorable. I want you to be mine now. Now my chicken to take you home now, right? Wait a minute. Ah! Anything to be alright. You hear me? Now my chicken is getting to do now. Better be real sneaky. Hey, get over. You're fine. That's what you're trying to do. Whoa, so funny, right? Two more people have to do to buy you. I mean, be safe. Be so safe, you know. See ya. Bye, man. Oh, yeah. I didn't see no dog here today. I just don't see the dog. Ah! Sha! Sha! Shin! Ah! Sha! Sha! Ah! Sha! 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 Shin! Sha! Sha! Ah! Shin! Sha! Sha! Oh man. Now only one more people we need to do. My apologies for that one, Gray. Only now one more people have to do now. Only one more important job in my house for me to fight and tour. They're doing it. Shin. Shin. Yo, what's up, puppy? Oh, it looks so adorable, huh? You want the toy? Go fat now. And so do you too. You look, I know you're the funny one. It's just so funny. Have fun in your bedroom now. Good night. And you too, you're the only boy in the whole family. Nobody else. So good night. Now I'm going to go back to the table now with the body. It's going to be so fun. Right? Oh, that's not going to be so fun, right? I know, it's going to be just so much fun. Right? I'll be wanting to die. I just do. You got to be telling me. Oh, what do you want, man? Not deal in my hair. I don't want you here. You're not having none of my puppy. I'm my own puppy. You want to get away? Let's do it. You think you have the door, then you had nothing. Near my puppy now. Not doing some more. Not doing it. You're not a hot puppy now. Get down. Shoot, shoot. My turn now. You buy you. My puppy stays there. Why? What are you gonna do to me for? You have fun with your own and cha! Oh man, I'm finally beating the dude. 3 people already. Sorry guys, hit the like button for a new movie now. Now I'm gonna check the door with the dog now. We're all free again. You ready for you have more stuff now? I know you're ready. I will give you some food. Hey! You, so fat. Look what I have. Here you go. Have fun staying in bed. And you, hey, so fat. And you, hey, so fat over here. I have one for you too. Here. And you too. Both of you guys have fun in bed. Bye, you. Bye. Now with you. You ready? Hey, one more time. Here. Have fun in bed. Have so much fun. See ya. And some of you too. Bye-bye. Now, only me and you now. Sit down. Sit. You ready? You have some now? Now the people are dead now. No one tell me about the lie. Now the people are really leaving you alone. You hear me? All of the people are really leaving you alone now. Sorry, guys. Hit the like button for a new movie time. You guys want to see a new movie? Tell them I'm going to pick some new movie, everybody. And those so Bobby Pro Damo 61. Here's a new movie coming soon, you know. So, here's the like button for a new movie, everybody. See ya. And you want my Snapchat too, my TikTok? I have it on my TikTok, if you want my Snapchat. All my stuff, all my social media. Come find me. Woof, 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 woof.